Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. This is a video of my parang vlogging inside the Canon event. Na-invite kasi tayo ni Canon Philippines to attend the launching of their two new cameras. This is the Canon V1 PowerShot and the Canon R50V. It's an APS-C camera at very interested no kasi the camera it's built for content creators, lalo na yung Canon V1 PowerShot. I tried it before nung January at or February kasi yung friend natin na tech media nakabili ng Canon V1 sa Mega Mall. Siya yung unang-unang customer, si PJ. So, ayan, nung nakita ko yun, very impressed with its performance, no? Kahit saglit ko siya nakita. But here's sa event ni Canon Philippines. Panoorin nyo yung video. Ang ating experiential with their parang may mga mini workshop. And also, I did a lot of activities dito like nag-podcast ako, nag-try din ako ng mga cameras nila, nung Canon R50V, tsaka yung V1, sa mga samples sa booth nila doon sa Midnight Dream sa Glorieta, no? So, napakaganda ng activity. I super enjoyed it at nagkaroon tayo ng hands-on test with the Canon V1 camera. So, panoorin nyo yung video, let me know kung trip nyo ba yung camera na to. Canon V1 PowerShot, tsaka Canon R50V. So, ayun, watch this video.
Already right there. May hawak silang flags. Never lose your marshals.
Sa portrait and landscape. So, more on test videos ngayon is like portrait, right? So, yung sample.
Anong camera to kuya?
V1.
V1. Okay.
Kahit na sobrang gulo ng light. Tapos, shoot kayo ng outdoor.
Mga ilang face kaya yung kaya niyang i-track? Isang tao lang. Per pag video. Oo nga, no?
So, much siya ng mga automatic adjust. And it has colors also. So, you can set other color tones like parang kasing lahat siya ng R6 Mark II. 50, 30, 34. Kaya yung kung mag-shoot ka na 4K, apparently has like slight dropping on lang. So, yan. Ito, 4K, tapos nangyari, shoot ko na 1080.
Yeah, V1.
This is
Ayan.
R50.
R50V. Magkamukha kasi.
So, alam niyo yung foundation ng settings for cinematography. You can put the FPS to 24 frames per second. Pero pag vlogging, ang roll is 30 FPS. So makukuha mo yung parang broadcast type of video. So for vlogging muna tayo, 30 FPS, 29.97 nakalagay dito. And the rule is the shutter speed to, aperture, and ISO. Ang ginagawa ko dito is mababa yung aperture ko, na-set ko na yung shutter speed, the aperture. Next is ISO. The higher the ISO, mas biging siya. Iipahin ko yung settings. I'll jumble the settings and
Parang exam pala to eh.
you can try. Okay. So next. So nag-guess na natin mo?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright. Sinong next? Habang hindi
Sorry, Bluetooth.
Where you can use high quality camera para mas maganda quality. You can also do like multiple number.
Ito yung app na sabi nyo. Yung,
It's super smooth. So, if nag-scroll yung mga tao sa FYP, they're going to stop kasi parang, wow, grabe yung quality nito.
kasi dito yung controls ng for the camera. For the camera.
This is not
So, review lang siya.
review lang. Pero yung TikTok live stream, dito yung sure nung app.
Hindi.
Pero easy to navigate lang din yung app.
Because we now have like lots of new AI features, and one is itong AutoCut. So you just put like your raw videos sa CapCut, tapos siya na bahalang mag-cut ng videos niyan for you. And on top of that, we also have like other AI tools that we have, parang sila na bahala ng pag-beat sync.
So, actually, yung feature natin is R50V.
yung customizable picture profile where you can upload your own color profile inside the camera.
So, ayun, for this station, mag-unbox tayo. Sino dito yung mga content nag-unbox? Yan, si Sir. Ano po yung mga inadok? Yeah. So, very nice din ito, like upgrade for a phone actually. And
Ganda ng setup.
Unbox tayo guys, anong gusto nyo i-open natin? Kirono, Labuko, or yung changeable din yung lens niya. So, if you want to upgrade, pwede. So, ayun. Wait lang. Just using your phone sa pag-unbox. So, if you want to level up your content, so R50V is the really great camera for you to try.
Ito yung mag-unbox ka na hindi ka pipili.
Sabay camera.
Ayan yun, sir. Yan, you can... Ganun, sir.
May naman lang sound effects naman, no?
May ASMR ganun. Oh, sinishake ni sir.
Para malaman mo yung pipili ka ba doon
Yan.
sa yung ilit?
ASMR. Dito na lang.
Hindi nyo ako hinari. Kung hinari ako. Dinala ko na sana yung mga toys ko, di ba? Hindi na kayo mag-argue lang. Okay, thank you.
Mas kilala siya as videographer. So for sure, napadaan na siya sa mga
Sa bahay namin. Napunta sa bahay.
Ayan. So, demonstrate ako ng one scene lang. I'm gonna ask for a volunteer na mag-cheer. So, yeah.
Uy, kayo naman.
So, right now, slow parang para mag-stay with. Mas lang yung So, if you have any video, because it's paired output or input output for HDMI and then to additional USB-C. So, how much time with a DC release, you would use HDMI out, like in HDMI siya. So, you can output it through that or even doing it. So, we have the same ways. And with the SD card.
Ay, wow.
With the SSD. So, yeah, so this is one view. This is a second camera. And we have a third one. So, three cameras. Parang nasa medium location yung mga guests. So, you and your guests. So, yeah.
Broadcaster.
You can listen in. Naka-line in na ba natin?
Indicator here. And well, you can also connect it like that. I just really also enjoy the wide lens. So you know the jet is done. So you don't need to set your phone and like you can just sa atin. Kasi parang
Kailangan ito eh.
Sorry.
It's actually really good. Shot in my room with just like one window.
Azra and
Hi guys, my name is Azrael. I'm a vlogger, a YouTuber, and also a tech content creator. Kung makitimbang ako kung ano yung gusto kong camera, o the R50V or the V1 PowerShot mo. For me, mas gusto ko yung R50V kasi mas gusto ko yung interchangeable lens feature niya. Tsaka kaya niyang gawin yung mga for photography and also video. Si V1 kaya naman niya, kaso nga lang for the telephoto zoom, kukulangin ako. Pero it's very compact and packetable. So kahit mga small events or travel, pwede siya. Pero since I do photography and videography, mas kailangan ko yung interchangeable lens like the Canon R50. For the event, okay naman for the experience do. Pinakita yung mga different kinds ng mga performance ng camera ng V1 and R50V. At doon ko nakita yung mga kinakailangan ko kasi ang ganda ng setup dito, complete with light setup, the studio, and also yung mga tao yung nagda-demo para sa amin. So medyo doon pala makikita mo yung mga ano yung camera kakailanganin mo sa inyong lifestyle or for your professional work. Kaya I'm inviting everyone to try the brand new Canon R50V at the Canon V1 PowerShot. You can visit some of the camera stores na available sa mall, especially mga Canon concept stores to. Try nyo at doon palang makikita nyo na yung mga kinakailangan. Kasi para sa akin, be creative with Canon.
And cut!
Thank you so much!
siyang audio monitor. Yung pinaka-importante sa Canon cameras, may audio monitor tayo. Monitor na natin. Alright, napanood nyo na yung video, no? So, thank you for watching. So, naghiram tayo ng review unit na yan. So, abangan din natin, no? Sana madala natin sa Palawan sa trip na ito, no? Kahit yung R50V or the V1, it is okay. Pero kung ako yung bibili, parang mas trip ko yung V1 because it's very compact siya. Tsaka gusto ko yung parang build niya. It's very easy. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng lens. Diba? Parang for me, mas nauuso na yung parang content creator gadget siya na which is you can bring it anywhere, shoot ka na lang shoot, wala lang fancy settings whatever, no. And also the mic audio is nice daw. So, pero para sa akin, syempre nakabitan ko pa rin siya ng microphone. No? Pero I wanna try it na mag-vlog na using it soon. So, abangan niyo yung aking mga videos, no. Baka makapag-produce tayo ng content about that. Pag nakapanghiram tayo ng camera kay Canon Philippines. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Okay, kita-kits. Canon Philippines. Thank you.